right angle 90 degree. The word right means 90 degree. Now we have to construct its angle bisector. Okay student, now the first step. The first step, take scale. This is millimeter. We are taking centimeter. Now take suitable length. This time I am taking 8 centimeter. You can take 8 or 10, up to you. So hold your scale and keep your scale straight. Mark 2 point AB. At 0 it is A point. At 8 it is B point. Now you have to join them with the help of a straight line. This is A, this is B, this is 8 centimeter. Now we have to construct angle of 90 degree with the help of protractor. We are taking point A. So here you have to see the dot or plus, the baseline, hide it and fix it tightly. Let's see where is coming. Now this baseline we are taking or the line segment, so we have to use inner scale 0, 10, 20. Okay student, now see where is coming 90 degree. Here put a dot and remove it. Now with the help of a scale you have to join them and make a straight line. Join this and then you have to give name. This is C. Okay, now we have to construct its angle bisector. So we have to use pair of compasses, and as you can see I am using color pencil here so that you can see dark impression, but normally you have to use this pencil. Okay students, of small size as well. Now as we are taking A as a center, so here you have to fix your pair of compass and its leg, and it is half. Check half, less than half. You can expand it, less than half. I am using left hand and right hand so that you can see it through my camera or video easily. But if you are righty, so use right hand. If you are lefty, use your left hand. Now we have to make an arc. Just have a look. Make an arc. One arc and pick up. Make second arc here. Pick up. Now from the previous arcs you have to make one more arc. Have a look, hold it tightly and now grip it. Now we are making another arc. So always you have to make a larger size of an arc so that your both arcs can easily intersect each other. Then now again from your previous arc you have to make another arc and you have to rotate it and you have to intersect both arcs. Give names. It is C, I am giving name, it is D, it is E, and this point is F. After that students, you have to take your ruler or scale and join this point of intersection with point A with a straight line. Join them and remove it. Now we have to measure the angle bisector of 90 degree. Now you have to place your protractor, center or dot, plus or baseline, hide it, and now you have to see the 90 degrees here and hold it. Now start reading. As we are taking this baseline or line segment, so we have to read inner scale. Okay, anti-clockwise 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and it is exactly 45. It means that the angle bisector of 90 degree is coming 45 degree. So we have drawn this from our right hand side. Okay students, so this is your angle bisector of 90 degree from right hand side.